welcome to the pre-market analysis. Let's start with Nifty today, and the Nifty is in 15 minutes time frame. So yesterday we discussed that the market is in uptrend. So let us draw a trend line. The market was in uptrend. Today the market opened with a price range of 15,855 and made a high around 15,884. But the thing is, the market started falling. We was expecting the corporate report today. We expect that the breakout will be in the higher side, but unfortunately it made a fall, all because of the recent Delta variant COVID that has been severe in UK, and also the Japan has reported about the Delta variant. So all over the Asian markets was in downside, and Dow Jones also fall nearly 400 points, Dow Jones futures. So our market also literally fell and made a low of 15,683 and closed around 15,728, which is 127 points lower than the opening price. So we could see that, and already we discussed in the previous video, that 15,800 will be acting as a very good support area. Once this gets broken, our target will be 15,760 and 15,740, which will be the gap filling area, and the market has reached that level already. And now the 15,700 will be acting as a support area for tomorrow if the market opens flat, because we could see that we have already seen that the market has started from here and made a head and shoulder pattern and gave a breakout and reached to the resistance. So this will be acting as a support area. Once the market breaks the support area, which is around 15,700, there could be another selling until to 15,650, which is our support area. So if the market opens flat tomorrow and closes with a bearish candle, there could be another selling, because the market is already in a selling pressure which has 127 points lower from the opening price. So there could be also a selling pressure which will be tomorrow. So to catch that selling opportunity, crossing below 15,700, we could go for a selling, and our target will be 15,650, which is our support area. Actually our support zone is around 15,620 to 15,635, but 15,650 will be a safer target point. So to go for a buy, I will not suggest any buying opportunity over this region around 15,730 to 15,800. This will be a consolidation area, so I will not suggest any buying now. Where could we buy is actually if the market reaches the support zone or the market reaches the demand zone, we could go for a buy over there, because that will be a very confirmed entry. So until then we will not take any buy entry. So for tomorrow, if the market closes below 15,700, go for sell, and our target will be 15,650. And also today, the Thursday, was an expiry day, so the market started falling all because of that also. Let us look at Bank Nifty now. Yes, so Bank Nifty also started falling from the supply zone. So here we have already discussed in our previous videos. I have marked up here with circles. So this is a very good support. The market has reached now till here. In our older videos we discussed that this is a very good support. We have marked with the circle. Now I have draw a zone, a rectangle zone, by crossing all those circles. So this will be acting as a support for tomorrow. Once the candle crosses below 35,150, we could go for selling, and our first target will be 35,000 and second target will be 34,850. This is for Bank Nifty. And here also I will not suggest any buying now, because the market is under pressure. All over the global cues are in negative range now, so we'll be looking for a selling opportunity. Today I posted my video late because I was waiting for the FII and DII report. Today the FII sold for 554 crores and DII sold for 949 crores. So this is all about the pre-market analysis of Nifty and the Bank Nifty. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Have a happy trading. Thank you.